Good evening. The need for athletes to educate themselves about the possible pitfalls they face as professionals has been brought back into sharp focus once more. This has to do with the contentious issue of anti-doping in sports. You may be aware that Commonwealth Games 200 meters bronze medalist Jason Livermore is facing the possibility of a 4-year ban, having tested positive for 2 banned substances in February this year. These tests were carried out by JADCO in December 2016. Now, Livermore testified twice at his disciplinary hearing last month that he declared the medications prescribed for a medical illness on his doping control forms. He also revealed that while being questioned by JADCO's attorney, that he was unaware of what a therapeutic use exemption TUE was. That for me was very troubling, as the water rules are very clear. Once an athlete is required to consume any medication which contain a substance on the banned list, they must first get a TUE through their local anti-doping agency and/or the International Sports Federation to which they are affiliated. Now, time and time again, athletes from Jamaica and elsewhere have been found responsible for whatever banned substances are found in their urine or blood samples provided for testing. And even as the 3-member panel chaired by Ken Gammon consider the intricacies of Livermore's case, sports commentary is urging other athletes across sporting disciplines to get educated about the anti-doping rules to avoid these pitfalls. Issues to deal with obtaining a TUE or the 10 ways in which an athlete can be found to have an anti-doping rule violation should not be left up to coaches, agents, or even managers. A word to the wise is sufficient. Good evening. I'm Keon Reyna.